today, guys, we're going to be looking at this particular meme coin that has been making waves all over the internet, and it's called CANA. Okay, now it's cannabis. They are trying to like encourage the legalization of cannabis, okay, in order for it to be regulated so that people will be able to use it safely. That is the major underlying purpose of this particular meme coin. That's what they're actually trying to promote. Okay, so as you can see it here is CANA on Ton. Is actually a project on the Ton network. Okay, now this project is coming from there's this particular project that is called Pocket Fi, okay, under the Ton network. Okay, it's a very big project. In short, they actually have an airdrop that is ongoing, and if you are not on that airdrop, I'm going to be dropping the link for you to actually join that this project airdrop. Okay, but that is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to bring you in closeness to what this project actually stands for and where it is coming from, and also I'm going to be showing you the very person and the influencer that's actually promoting this project. Okay, so the project is coming from PocketFi under the Ton network. Okay, so I just thought I should say that so that you'll be able to understand how it works. Okay, now if you take a look at you can see the chart of the project. The project actually just launched, I think that is about 6 days ago or thereabouts, right? Okay, so you can see 6 days ago, 16 hours is when this project actually launched, and you can see the movement of this token. Okay, so far, let me quickly check something here. So far, the project has done like 20x already. Okay, so let's put measurement and stuff here. Okay, down here, you can see it has done like almost 20x. Okay, that is what this project has done since the launch of this project. And quickly, let me put this chart into full here. You can see here, let me quickly go here and pick okay, let me pick this measurement to here. You can see here there's a, if you check here, you can see there's a kind of a support here. Let me put this here, and you can see here when the project actually took off, you can see it took off here about 6 days ago, and it went in parabolic style up to this particular spot, which is let me check here, which is about 8549 here. Okay, that is the all-time high of the project, and it started coming down. Now there's something I have come to understand about this kind of a project. Okay, when it starts going up this way, definitely it will get to some points that the influencers, okay, or the developers of this kind of project are going to take profit. Okay, so what I normally do is this: I wait for them to take profit, and when it reverses, then I'll be able to join the project. And now you see, I waited for the project. I actually bought some when it was around 2831 here, right? It actually went up, and I took some profit, and now you can see it has dropped down to this support here. Okay, and you can see a whole lot of people have started buying it again. And let me quickly show you. If you go down to the buy history here, you can see the buy history. You can see a whole lot of buys here, right? A whole lot of guys are buying here. You can see the buy history here, a lot of buy, and the sell is kind of a bit low compared to the buy. So I'm also going to be buying more here. Okay, I'm going to be buying more here because I believe that this project is going to do well. Okay, we are looking to do at least 100x on this project. Personally, that is my projection. I'm going to be doing at least 100x on this project, so I'm still going to be buying more here. Okay, now quickly let's go to Twitter and see get some information about this project called CANA. Okay, now if you check them here on Twitter, this is their handle on Twitter. And moreover, guys, you have to make sure that if you're going to be buying this token, okay, if you're going to be buying this meme coin, make sure you are buying it from the right source. Okay, you are getting the right contact address. You can just come up here, copy this contact address here, okay, and make sure it's something like this. You can see their Twitter handle also here. You can see their Telegram, which I'm going to be talking about the community behind this project. This is something that is very necessary for us to take note of. Okay, so you can see here they have over 4,500 followers here. That is understandable because it's actually a new project. It's a new project, just 6 days old, and they're still pushing the project. Okay, so you can see it here. And guys, it's also listed on CoinMarketCap. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap, and here you can see it on CoinMarketCap. You can see it here. You can see the current price here, right? You can see every information you need about this project here. Okay, you can see, like I rightly told you, you can see the buy and the sell community history here. Okay. So quickly back to Twitter, to X here, you can see a whole lot of information about the project. Now, I want us to talk about the founder, which is this particular guy called Lord Dre. Lord Dre is actually the founder or the guy, the influencer that's actually pushing this project. Is the one that actually came up with this project. Like I already told you, it's a campaign for the legalization of cannabis, okay, in order for it to be regulated instead of people abusing it. Okay, now let's quickly talk about their community. Okay, you know, I told you here that the community here, they have over 4,000 here on X, right? But look at their community here on Telegram. Okay, the community on Telegram is huge, and I want to believe it's still going to continue growing. Okay, you can see over 2,600 persons here on their Telegram community channel here. Okay, I can see the buy still continues, the buy continues there. So we want to believe that at least we're going to be holding this coin. Okay, we're going to be holding this meme coin to make sure we make at least 100 X from it. Okay, I want to believe it will do that, because if you take a look at this chart now, the chart is very, very bullish. Okay, if you check here, you can see that the chart is very, very bullish. See, one thing a whole lot of people don't understand is there's no straight line when it comes to meme coin. In short, when it comes to crypto chart, generally, there's nothing like straight line that it takes off and you expect it to keep going. Definitely, it will retrace. Some persons have to take profit, it will retrace, and it will continue to go, okay? So even here now, I'm going to be buying, okay? Let me quickly buy, because I'm seeing this stuff going forward, up, right? So quickly, let me even get to my Tonkeeper. Okay, let me get to my Tonkeeper and buy this stuff here. Okay, so let me copy the wallet the contract address here. Let me copy the contract. Okay, so you can see this is the contract address. I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to go to Tonkeeper. So I'm going to be showing you how to buy it now if you don't have it already. If you've not purchased the CANA meme coin, make sure you follow this process and be able to purchase it. Okay, like I already told you, this is not on the Solana network. This is basically on the Ton network. Okay, so we'll be using Tonkeeper. Okay, I'm doing this on my desktop, but if you using the mobile, then you can as well follow the same process and be able to buy your CANA token. Okay, make sure you have Ton. Okay, make sure you have Ton in your wallet. Okay, when you have Ton in your wallet, then you'll be able to swap it for the CANA token. Okay, so let me show you the process. You come up here where it says swap here, you click on this swap button here. Okay, when you click on this swap button here, then you're going to click on this USDT here, right? Then you're going to paste in the CANA contract address that I copied. Okay, you can see this is it here, right? So you can either copy it directly from the project stuff here on Desprina, okay, or you can also go to Telegram, or you go to, let me just say, go to X. Okay, when you go to X, you just go back to the CANA web handle here, right? You can see it here up here. You can see this is the contract address here on the X handle of CANA here. Okay, make sure you are copying the right address so that you don't get to lose your funds. Okay, so when you do that, you just come back to Tonkeeper. Okay, you come to Tonkeeper, then you click on swap, right? When you click on swap, you click on this USDT button here, then you're going to paste the contract address here, right? Then you're going to click on CANA here. Okay, it's going to show you the instruction. You are make sure that you know what you are doing, that you are copying the right contract address. I'm going to click on import here. Okay, then here it's going to show you what you have. If you want to buy with the whole of your ton that you have, you're going to put it here. Okay, let's assume I want to buy with let me just say I want to buy with 1. Okay, let me just say I want to buy with 1. So I'm going to put in 1 ton here. Okay, so I'm using 1 ton to buy this amount of CANA, which is 13,433.05. Okay, because you need to also make sure that you reserve some ton for gas fee. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue here. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue here. Okay, then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, now I'm going to put in my password. Let me quickly do that. So after putting my password, I was able to buy the CANA token, and here you can see the CANA token in my wallet here, right? So you can see I have it in my wallet already here. So that's how simple and easy it is for you to actually buy the CANA token. I want to believe that the token is going to keep rising. Okay, as you can see here, the projection is actually very positive for this token, right? You can see the projection is very, very token. So we are expecting the token to actually keep rising. Okay, we're expecting it to keep rising if the community doesn't feed on this project, okay, which I believe they're not going to feed. Okay, so we're going to expect the token to keep rising. It's going to get to this all-time high here, and hopefully it's going to surpass it. Okay, that is the belief that we'll have for this token. Okay, but having said that, this is not a financial advice. You know, crypto comes with a whole lot of ups and downs. It comes with a whole lot of risk, and you can also make a whole lot of profit trading crypto. Okay, so let's be hopeful and see how this particular token is going to go. Okay, all right guys, if you got value from this video, please remember to like this video and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that before now. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.